In this video, I show you how to reset your Instagram Explore page and feed. So it's really simple. First, open Instagram and go to your profile page, which is here. Then you have to click on the three dots, which are on the top right. Scroll down. And then you'll find this option called Content Preferences. Click on this. And you'll see the last option is Reset Suggested Content. So if you click on this, they're asking you if you want a fresh start. So these are all of the changes which will take place, and this won't delete your data. Then click on Next. So here they're suggesting unfollowing some accounts which show up a lot in your feed. So you can do this if you want, or else directly click on Reset Suggested Content. That's down. Then click on it again. And now it's done. So if I go to my Explore page, here you can see it has been reset.